Hi guys, so we are here now at Ciudad de Mexico and we are finally leaving Mexico. Well, I'm saying it as if we didn't come here like, when did we arrive here? Like 1 week ago from Ecuador, but anyways, now we are going to Brazil. Supposedly it's easy to get into Brazil, you don't need a PCR test, anyone can go there. Of course, considering any visa restrictions, what you need is actually an insurance that covers COVID. We did buy one online, it's called Safety Wing. No idea if that works out, so let's see, I'll keep you posted. At the moment I'm not really feeling nervous and it's really loud here at the airport. And actually what I also have to mention is that it seems that Mexico is back in business. The airports are really busy. Everything is open and there are a lot of people, especially in Cancun, but also here in Ciudad de Mexico. Now we wait here for 3 hours until we get our plane to Brazil. Getting to Brazil is no problem, but passing through customs in Brazil, that's what has me a little bit worried, but don't tell Evelyn that. We are now in Sao Paulo, really tired. Well, I am at least, because it was so uncomfortable in the airplane that I had a hard time sleeping. Anyways, now we'll go through customs and I hope they don't make any problems. Well, that was easier than expected. It was just showing her the insurance Safety Wing that I've got online. She checked it for like 10 seconds. It was fine and we got the customs. Fastest custom in our world trip so far. Great. Awesome. I guess you can come here. Oops. Here we are. We managed to check in our bags. Everything went smoothly, no problem at all, really fast. It's 7:30 a.m. over here. And now we thought we'd just come out. It's 8:30 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 8:30 a.m. over here. So we thought we'd get a little bit of this stinky Sao Paulo air. Now we'll go back in because little Evelyn needs a breakfast because she didn't have one in the airplane, the poor little lady. Alright, we passed security and actually since I started putting the drone inside my check bags, I didn't have any problems more in security because before I was stopped every single time and they had to check my bags. I hope they don't steal it, but it's only a small drone, so it wouldn't be that much of a loss. Now we are at Starbucks and having something very Brazilian. How do you say? Brazilian? Like pão de queijo. Oh well, cheese bread. Let's see how it tastes. If you like cheese that's a little bit burnt, like when you have raclette and you let it burn a little bit, that's how this tastes. It's really good.
I think you're not filming.
No, I'm not. Oh, I think I actually forgot to mention where we are at the moment. We are in a city in the midst of the Amazon forest. Yep, we really are there. It's called Manaus. It's a state of Amazonas in Brazil. And we'll be staying at a lodge in the midst of the jungle. Really looking forward to that. But first, one night in a normal hotel. Actually, this city can only be reached by air or by river, by boat, as far as I know. It's also been artificially built. By that I mean, it hasn't been settled naturally, but the government just decided to build a city here at some point. Don't really exactly know why, but probably to have more closer contact to the forest, or the Amazon forest.
Go to
This is our hotel and it gets really, really dark in here. So it's actually not the last one. Okay. Looks like a typical Wyndham room actually. As if it, well, I guess any kind of business hotel style hotel.
Yeah.
I'm repeating words.
Any kind of airport hotel.
Airport hotel, that's actually a good word.
Because there are a lot of business people.
Good sized bed. We've got room to work, a big TV, a fridge. I think we haven't had a fridge in a hotel since ever in our world trip, right?
Maybe in Spain we had at some point. The
Airbnbs don't count.
In pension also don't count.
Oh, let's check this one. Beautiful Abgeklopft. Sorry, got interrupted by the bellboy, or well, bellman actually, or the porter. Wow. Now we've got everything here behind us. Let's check out the view. I don't think it's anything special. Well, it feels definitely hot close to the window, and as you can see, it's tropical vegetation out there. But we are in the city and very close to the airport, so not very much to see. But actually, I wanted to make this video and I'll upload it today if I manage to. So this will be the most actual video ever because we'll be off the grid for 1 week. I won't be able to upload anything, and honestly, I haven't finished any other videos. I've been a bit too slow lately working on my videos. Sorry about that. Anyways, we'll go, as I've mentioned before, in the middle of the jungle, in the middle of the Amazon jungle. That's been a dream of mine for many, many years. As someone who loves nature, going to the biggest forest in the world. Is it the biggest forest in the world? The biggest rainforest in the world, at least. I don't know if the Russian forests are actually bigger in area. Sure, they have less life, less fauna, especially less biodiversity, but I think by the area they are actually larger. Yeah. Sorry, I've talked too much. This is going to be a short video, just a trip video. I hope to be able to upload a bit more regularly in the future. A bit more, well, travel vlog style videos and maybe travel guide videos. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. To see our future adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.